Welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. As you can see behind me, I ended up doing some shopping at Marshall's, and I found some really great finds, things that have been on my wish list for a while. And today I'm super grateful that I was able to get a lot of the stuff that was on that list, and I wanted to sit down with you guys and share it with you. So if you want to see what I ended up getting, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to give this video a like, follow, and subscribe. And now let's jump right into the video. Okay, so to start off, let's do the kitchen. So the first thing that I got are these juice bottles that I wanted to make like turmeric shots and other recipes that I've seen on TikTok. So I got this. They are made out of plastic. I would have preferred glass, but I figured that this is a good start on my health journey. And then I also got this for my paper towels in this like brass, I don't know if it's brass or gold, but I want to say it's brass. And then, so this has been a struggle. I've been trying to find like spice containers or racks, and every time that I go to Marshall's, there's either like a cap missing, or it's one of the bottles are broken, or the whole bottle is missing. So it has been a struggle, but thankfully today I found a completed set. And it's all in the same like brass colors. Look how pretty that is, guys. And this is everything that it comes with. So it has the sifter cap inserts. It has 16 glass jars with the lids, obviously the revolving organizer, and the condiment labels. And this is what it looks like. I cannot wait to organize all of my spices, so then that way I can get rid of all those bottles and just everything will just seem more organized. So I'm really excited. Then when I do my dishes, I don't like anything on the counters, and unfortunately I don't have a lot of counter space, but I want to make sure that whatever I do have on my counter space, it looks cute. I ended up getting this 2-tier dish rack with wooden handles. This is what it looks like when it's put together. I really like that. I think that it's easier because sometimes I'll use those dish towels and I'm not really liking that too much. I'm kind of over that. It's the same brand as the spice rack. It is called Gourmet Kitchen. That's that. Oh, this was one of my favorite finds. Every time that I get like fruits or like avocados, I always have to get, you know, like a clear bowl and put it on top of the counter. And I've been on the hunt for a really cute rack. And originally I wanted like a 3-tier rack. I saw one, I don't know if it was on Pinterest or on Facebook, and that was like my goal. Now, mind you, before I set out to Marshall's, I did end up going to Goodwill to see if I can thrift it, but I didn't find anything today. But with that said, it was meant for me to go to Marshall's because, guys, this is now my fruits basket, where now I can place my avocados and my apples and bananas, and now I don't have to be using my bowls anymore. But isn't this adorable? It has the wood and it has that brass gold. I just think this is gonna look so nice. And I also got this weekend the beautiful microwave to complete my set. I think I'm missing one more thing, but this is the theme that I'm going with. I have been drawn to this brass gold color. I think it looks so elegant and nice. So that was like the inspiration that just started everything. But yes, I cannot wait to just start organizing. I'm like really motivated. I got these portable LED table lamps, and it's a set of 2. And you can charge them. So it's a set of 2 lamps. It's touch control, and it has a diamond acrylic shade. It's rechargeable, so it comes with like a USB cable, and it has 3 color modes. So it has cool white, warm white, and neutral. Like, look at how adorable that looks. It's super charming. And I wanted this to put it in my bedroom, so when it's getting closer to for me to like wind down and get ready to go to sleep, I just want to create like a cozy atmosphere. And depending on how it looks in my bedroom, I think that I want to get more lighting to create that cozy like atmosphere. Now for the bathroom, I wasn't gonna get anything, but I could not pass this up. The colors are just perfect for the spring, so I ended up getting this shower curtain that has like a background. It's like a cream background and like a sage green or olive green. So it has that beautiful print to it. And with it, I decided to get these bathroom mats. And if you look at it, it has literally the same colors that it's pulling from the shower curtain. So I cannot wait to decorate my bathroom and get it ready for the springtime. So I cannot wait for that. But yeah, guys, so that is pretty much it for this haul. Like I said, I wanted to share this with you. I was super excited to find all of these things, and hopefully, you know, this inspires you guys and motivates you guys to freshen up your home as well. Or if you guys have the similar taste as me, well, guess what? Marshall's is like the perfect place to find all of these things. And if you see it, definitely get it, because in the past I've seen things and I'm like, oh, I'll get it later, and then I regret it. This video is not sponsored by Marshall's, just FYI. I hope that you guys are doing well, and then thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.